The primary view of tasks on the Basil platform is called the placard or Kanban view. It offers users a dynamic Kanban-style board that can be customized to fit the business's unique workflow. By default, the placard view is set up with three statuses: not started, in progress, and completed. To create a new task status, first go to your profile drop-down menu at the top right of the page and select Settings. From here, expand the Manage Task Statuses and Types menu. Click on the Add Status button on the right side. In the pop-up window, type in the name of the new status you wish to add. The Enable Kanban Status to All Tasks checkbox will automatically enable the new status for all task types. If you do not select this option, you will need to manually select the task types that will be allowed for this new status. Once saved, it will appear in the list of all statuses. Here, you can select the allowed task types for this new status. To change the order, you can click and drag on any status that has the 6-dot or handle icon on its left. Please note, not started and completed must always be the first and last statuses respectively. If you wish to delete or rename a task status, simply click on the right arrow symbol to the right of its name. Once you have the statuses named and appearing in the order you like, you can then go back to the Tasks tab and view your new task statuses in the placard view. The first three statuses will always appear on the screen first when you go to the Tasks tab. To view the additional statuses, you'll need to click on the right or left navigation arrow on the side of the window. You can now use the Tasks feature as you normally would, but now with your custom statuses to keep track of your progress each step of the way.